Pigs make me sneeze. Piggy is a pig. Gerald, what do you want to do? I want a yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Sniff. Are you okay? I do not know. Choo! I cannot stop sneezing. Choo! Sneeze. Oh no. What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Choo! What if you try to sneeze more soft? Sorry. Then I can't be near you. Then we can't be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald? No, don't speak. It is too late. Choo. Gerald, bye. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Now, cats make me sneeze too. Thump. I don't think pigs make you sneeze. I don't think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. I have a cold. You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Great for you. Burp, burp, burp. The end.